Jennifer from Peoria Public Library. I'm the manager of technical services, where we receive all the new items and then we also fix anything that gets broken. One of our favorite things to do in TS is when we get new materials. So I thought I would let you guys experience a little bit of what it's like to get to unbox things. So, see what we have in this box. Okay. First title here, Feral Creatures. It's by Kira Jane Buxton. This is the second in a series, and the first one was really well reviewed and well received. So I think this will be a great read. Okay. Oh, Friends Forever, Shannon Hale. This is a graphic novel. It's about friends. The other ones in the series were Real Friends and Best Friends. Very, very popular series. It's going to check out well. Okay. Movies. Queen Bees. This looks like a really fun watch. Okay. Oh, no, it's not going to stand up. Okay, let's see. Louise Penny. Very, very popular author. This is part of her Armand Gamache series. It's The Madness of Crowds. And you don't have to have read the other books in this series to understand what's happening. It's a really good standalone kind of mystery. For the children, picture book, Family Reunion. So I looked at this one day, and it's about a young man who doesn't want to go to his family reunion. He'd rather play his video games, but he goes, has a great time. Let's see. 4,000 Weeks, Time Management for Mortals. Who couldn't use this? Maybe especially me. Oh, okay, I'm excited about this one. Jojo Moyes. She's written a lot of really good beach reads. This one she wrote it early in her career. It was just released in the US. Night Music. And this one is especially good beach read because the paperback, you can just throw it in your purse. It's not too heavy. A Discovery of Witches. How appropriate for a library, because this is based on a trilogy of books by Deborah Harkness. And it has really great reviews, this series. Is that going to stand? Last item, Fallen by Linda Castillo. This is a novel of suspense on audio CD. Makes for a really good listen while you're, cleaning house or going on a run. So I'm really excited about all these new titles. Every day we pretty much get new titles in, so make sure you go to your nearest Peoria Public Library branch and check out the shelves.